Another app that I highly recommend for you to install in your website is PayPal's Tracking on Autopilot. I think that's the name. I'm not really sure. I'll put the link down below. What it does is it automatically inputs the tracking number of the customer dun sa PayPal. Tama ba? Yeah. Kasi sa PayPal, especially here sa mga Filipinos, it's hard to integrate a credit card provider in your website kasi ang daming requirements. Usually, kailangan pa ng DTI, BAR, all that documents. Alam ko madami nag-worry na paano pag nasuspend ako ng PayPal, paano kapag na hold yung payments ko. I think that's one of mga worries and fears ng mga dropshippers sa Filipino. So, I highly suggest for you to install nga this app, PayPal Auto Tracking on Autopilot. I don't think that's right, but anyway, I'm gonna post the link down below. Pero syempre, at the end of the day, I suggest na kailangan lang naman talaga legit yung business nyo na you'd gonna have to really fulfill all orders. Another app that I recommend for you to install in your Shopify website is the Aftership Return Center. So what it does is basically to systemize all the returns, diba? So kunwari si customer, pag na-receive niya product niya, it's either siguro sira or mali yung item or hindi sila satisfied sa quality. Yung return center na to, basically, ang gagawin lang ng customer is to input their order number and their email address, and then they would input there yung kung ano yung naging problem nila sa product. And then, isasubmit nila yung, kumbaga, yung order, return request nila dun sa system. So, parang magkakaroon ka doon ng summary ng kung sinong customer yung gusto mag-return, kung ano yung naging reason niya, tapos, yun. So, you will have options to approve the return or to reject the return. I suggest you would only reject the return if may mas maganda kang alternative. Sometimes, kunwari, in my own opinion or my own experience, nang nangyari, mali yung na-deliver ni supplier na color of the item. Tama naman yung item, pero mali lang yung color. So, what I do is I would message the customer, "We're sorry for the mistake. No worries, we will send you the correct item. And the wrong item is for you to keep for free." So, hindi mo na gagambalain si customer, diba? And then, for those naman na talagang irate na si customer, or talagang sobrang reklamo niya na sa product, kasi talagang hindi natin maiwasan, may mga masela na tao, and siguro kahit sa'yo okay naman yung quality, pero talaga sa ibang tao hindi okay yung quality. I suggest for you to approve it. Kasi kapag talagang galit na si customer, tapos hindi ka pumapayag sa return, ang malaking chance is gawin niya is magkakaroon siya ng negative review in your Facebook page or magko-comment siya dun sa Instagram account mo. And then sa Facebook naman, kahit i-delete mo yung mga comment na negative, minsan magre-react sila na angry. And then makikita yon sa page mo na may mga nag-angry na reactions. So, that's a no-no. So, if I suggest yun, to install that app para at least, diba, very kampante na si customer na malaking chance na ma-approve yung return nila at ma-refund pa sila. So, at the end of the day, okay lang naman. Hindi sila mag-negative comments sa pages niyo.